Hi, I'm Rachel Looney with Cole Chevrolet in the service department, and this is Tuesday's tip of the day. I'm going to show you how to make your own ice melt at home with common household items. We're going to take 2/3 a cup of white vinegar. And then you take 1/3 a cup of water. Why don't you follow me outside and I'll show you how it works. You'll spray directly on the window and let it sit for a few minutes and watch the snow melt off with ease. Now all you have to do is wipe it off. Thank you for watching Tuesday's Tip of the Day. Schedule your next service appointment or check out our entire inventory at colechevy.com.